I got an old engine stand. My company threw it away. It's missing the swivel thing for the motor. But it had these good forward wheels and it had some good metal. So I'm actually going to use my welder, I'm going to cut it off right there, move this whole side over, and build off of that to hold the welder up top, hold the gas like right here, put all my welding equipment underneath it, and I'll use that as my new welding stand. So I got my cart done. I got the handle right here to pull it around. It's got 360 wheels in the front, fixed wheels in the back. I got the gas underneath. I gotta get a 90 gas inlet for there. I got my small torch, large torch, stinger, and the ground right here. I got my torch holder. Angled it up so it sits in there. Also got my helmet holder. Also got filler rod holders, aluminum, mild steel, and probably like stainless or, you know, another type of filler, whichever one I decide to have. And also got those notches right there to hold a board that goes in here. I don't know if I'm gonna do a piece of metal or a wooden board to go in here. Haven't decided that yet. And then I'm gonna put like my foot pedal and other controls and all my consumables down here. I might even build a like a shelf depending on, you know, my needs. But for the most part, I just want to get the welder off, you know, the table. It's pretty nice.